We are Italian food freaks in this house, and what is more iconically Italian than a meatball? These pesto meatballs are packed with flavor thanks to pesto and an extra healthy dose of garlic. Perfect for pasta, or our favorite, a meatball sub. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, it's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. To start, roast 2 heads of garlic. See my tutorial in the description box. You'll need a pound of ground beef of your choice and a pound of ground pork. Place the meat in a large bowl. Add half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 egg, a scant or liberal shake of red pepper flakes depending on how much heat you like, half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, about 1½ tablespoons of pesto. Then take off your rings and get in there with your hands to incorporate everything. Don't overmix it or you'll have tough balls. I'm not even touching that. Dang it, or that. Cover the bowl and place in the fridge until the roasted garlic is finished. Give your garlic about 15 minutes to cool before adding it to your meat mixture. 5 minutes was obviously not long enough. Gently mix in the roasted garlic until it's just incorporated. Then with a cookie scoop, get a heaping scoop that weighs about 2 ounces per meatball and is roughly the same size for even cooking. Place the meatballs in a saucepan over medium-high heat at first to get a good sear. Then flip them over to brown them on all sides and cover with a lid to make sure that they cook all the way through. I had to cook mine in 2 batches, and then depending on what you want to do from here, you can add them all back into the pot and top with your favorite spaghetti sauce and simmer for 30 minutes. Or if you just can't wait, grab a hot dog or brat bun, load up 3 meatballs, top it with a good marinara sauce, then top that with some mozzarella or fontina cheese and let it get all melty and dig in. Pesto meatballs are a great way to batch cook for your family. They're easily frozen, so when the mood strikes for a meatball sub, spaghetti and meatballs, or even a boost of protein after a workout, they can be easily thawed and ready to roll. See what I did there? For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.